only one person has actually claimed their prize from the giveaway. So one person has claimed their prize. Another person has commented on the video saying like, yay, they won. And then the last person just hasn't said anything. You guys need to hit me up. I'm not going to search for you. I'm not going to... It's a giveaway. The least you can do is comment to claim or hit me up to claim your prize. So... I'm either consuming coolant or I have a coolant leak. Either one's not good. So I fill this up, and then there's less. Fill it up, and there's less, and fill it up, and there's less. I guess I never filled it up when I had that big spill. You can probably tell it's raining outside. It's Thursday, and I've held off doing this starter motor because I thought it was going to snow today. And it said it was going to snow today, and it still says by 9 o'clock it could snow. But right now it's looking like it's just going to keep raining. While it's raining, and it's only like 7:30 right now, I'm going to hook up the wipers. I've been putting off doing this forever now. So I think it's time to finally get it done and just get it over with. Alright, so if you're a dumbass like me and you decide to cut off your, harness for the wipers, here's how the wiring works. You only need these 3 wires, the other ones are sensors. I mean, you could use the sensors to... I don't fucking know how you would even do that, whatever, who gives a shit. So the white one, the white and black is the ground. The blue and red is the slow speed. I don't know if you can see that even. So that's slow speed. And then the white and red is the fast speed. See that? And that's all there is to it. So ground, slow, fast. By the way, if you are looking for a solid 12-volt power supply, look up HP or just server power supplies on eBay. They're like $10 to $20 for 700 watts, which is like 62 amps. So this shit can literally power almost anything on a car. If you're, and I could show you, I mean, I could make a video, but you really don't need a video. So this whole side is the ground, this whole side is the positive, and all you have to do is short these 2 pins. See the last pin, and then the 4th pin. That's it. And then this thing will always turn on, so you just plug it in, it's 12 volts. They even have 1,000-watt ones, and that's what I use on my miner. So, pretty sick power supply if you need like a garage power supply. This is why you keep all the wiring you cut out of your car. Now I don't need to get any new wires. This is perfectly good wiring. Obviously check it before you use it, but it looks pretty good to me. So, just grab 3 different colors of wire and get to it. Obviously for this, since it's a motor, I'm drawing quite a few amps, so I'm going to use a little thicker wiring.
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough.
Alright, so I was laying on my back, contorting underneath the steering column. In the kick panel, there's all the fuses. Obviously all that shit is not working on my car because I have nothing in the car. So I'm going to flash a little picture of the diagram of all the fuses. So one of them is used, the gauge one is used to power the relays for the fan. So that just flips the relays. That's all it's not high amp or anything. The other one is what's the other one for? I forgot. Okay, well there's another one being used by something. So I got the heater one used, I got the gauge one used, which is not actually gauges, it's the radio, I think. And then now I'm going to use the wiper one, which is perfect. So it's a 20 amp fuse. I have these little thingies. So I like to use these little inline fuse things. So put your rated fuses in here. I actually don't understand why there's 2 fuses. I think only one is actually used. I think it's so you could have a backup maybe? Whatever, doesn't matter. So this is what I like to use. Stick this in the fuse that you're getting rid of or you're not using, and then positive here, ground it to wherever. It's a car, so you can just ground anywhere. And yeah, so it's obviously impossible to even see or film anything in there, so I'm gonna stick this in there.
Push it in as deep as you can.
We're gonna see if the wiring reaches. If it does, we're good to go. Alright, here we go. See what happens. Yeah, buddy. Alright, that's slow, and here's fast. Yeah. Cool beans. We got wipers. And it's snowing. Actually, you can't tell on the camera. Can you tell here? Yeah. It's very light, but hopefully it picks up. So I'm gonna go get dressed up warm because there's no heat in this bitch. We're gonna go for a drive. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All right, that's ready. So you saw how I did it. Soldered those wires up to the plug or the pigtail, and then I took a old fuse because I didn't have anything big enough to fit this, like a loop. Soldered it to that, and yeah, it works. Oh, I gotta fix one more thing. I broke my fuel pump wire right here for the jumped wire. I broke that, so I gotta fix that because the car kind of turns on and off. Alright, I'm gonna go fix that. I don't need to film it. I'm gonna fix that real quick and we'll go for a drive. It's just about to start the car and I smelled fuel. And what do we have here? Got a fuel leak. You can't see that probably, but it's coming out of the line, out of the fuel line. So I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna jack it up. Probably just need to move the hose or something. Probably just like moved over. Cause I got rubber lines on top of hard lines. Cause I didn't have the time to fix the fuel as it should, you know, with proper lines. So I just got rubber lines in there, like these. And guessing they got a little hard in the winter now. Maybe shifted or something. So gonna jack up the back of the car and try to fix it, see what's going on. Yeah, I guess that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna start recording the next video tomorrow, which is gonna be the intake and starter motor. Because I don't know if you've heard, but my starter motor sometimes just fucking sucks. Next video, starter motor. Everyone says it's a horrible pain in the ass to get to, so we'll see. It's probably not that bad. Just like the timing belt wasn't that bad. Oh, got some stuff. Okay. They're finally here, ding dongs. Version 2 of the NACA ducts. Oh shit, I grabbed the wrong one. I designed these a little differently. I don't know if you can tell, these are flat right here. So when I'm printing them, this whole side is super ugly. I made them deeper. I also made them a bit shorter because I'm getting a new printer which has a smaller bed and I want to be able to print these on it. Also new mounting design. By the time this video goes live, you'll see it on the website. I'm printing these different new attachments. So one will be a 3-inch tube end, so you can attach like 3-inch tubing that you can get on like Summit Racing, Jegs, you know, whatever. So they sell like 3-inch ducting, so they'll have an adapter for that. And then also I'm printing a vent that you can open and close. For example, the giveaway winner, one of you guys wants to use them in a quarter window here, or you know, front window as like a literal air conditioning vent. That's what that's for. It's a little vent, opens and closes. So you guys will see those on the website. Right now they're not ready because it's Thursday, but by the time this video comes out, they will be ready. Yeah, hit up the website. Link is in the description, where it's always been for the last like year and a half. So if you guys want to get some stuff, that's where you can find it. It's going to wrap up this video, dudes. Yeah, next video is going to be a lot more in depth and doing cool shit. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you guys next week.
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby! Cause this one's a screamer!
Craving bold flavor with a crunch? Try Speedy Choice Premium Snacks. From spicy to sweet to savory, we've got you covered with a variety of mouth-watering flavors. Pick up a bag today.
This is your daily type of business briefing from Cheddar. Well, listen up. It's really Giants. Guys, they plans for this.
It snowed.